dears, Ola here. Today I'm going to show you how to create this steampunk style canvas using the new Art Alchemy metallic paints and also the new metal rust paste set. As a base I'm going to use a simple wooden frame, and now I'm covering it with texture paste graphite. This paste will give me really nice grunge background texture which support the whole steampunk look of this project. After drying, I'm covering the background with a black gesso. I really love the 3D dimensional look of my mixed media project, so now I'm adding the first layer of the embellishments. Now I'm covering the first layer with a black gesso. It's important to cover each layer separately, because if you will add too much elements, will be really difficult to cover all of them properly. To get more dimensional look, I'm gluing under some of elements a few chipboard pieces. As you saw, I glued most of the elements with a 3D matte gel. I really love this gel, it's really strong, but it takes some time until this gel will completely dry. So I'm going to leave this project for a night and I will continue tomorrow morning. Everything has dried and I'm covering all the elements with a black gesso. I'm going to use 4 colors of the new Art Alchemy metallic paints. I really love these new colors. You can create with them an amazing imitation of old metal surfaces. I begin with rustic brown, golden moss and gold amber. I'm just mixing them directly on the surface. To get beautiful color transitions, you have to work with a soft dry brush and to apply really thin layers of a paint. I'm going to add some small touches with a red wine color. When you add this red color, just be careful to take on a brush really small amounts of the paint, because the red pigment is pretty strong and we don't want to make it too much red. And I continue to work with all these 4 paints until I like the result. For now we got a beautiful metallic look, but I want to make it more vintage and more realistic, so I'm going to add a few touches with metal rust paste. It's a new set of metal rust, and I have to tell you, it's really amazing rust effect. I begin with a dark brown and rusty colors, and as you see, I'm mixing them again directly on the surface. And now I'm going to add to them a little bit of green. Same like with the metallic paints, I'm trying to keep on a nice color transitions. So I'm working on small areas and I'm mixing the paste when they still wet. Now I want to insert only the green paste into the all small slots. To get it, I'm applying the paste on the area where I want it and removing the excess with a finger or with a baby wipes. To return a little bit of a shiny metallic look, I'm adding some touches with metallic wax. They are really small touches, I'm just highlighting some of elements. The last part is to add some inspirational quotes. I'm using here word stickers by 7 Dot Studio. That's it. I hope you liked this tutorial. The supplies list link you will find in the movie description. If you have any questions about the process or materials, you're welcome to ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye!